Hi, I'm Mimi.
Hi, I'm Olive.
Today we'll be reviewing the Jimu robot Tankbot.
Let's get started.
The character parts, robotic servo motors, the connectors, recharging power adapter, main control box.
Boxes, and more boxes.
It looks very organised.
The app's got build, controls, action and coding.
We should put them into piles.
I think we're good. And then I'm just gonna slide this on quick.
I've almost finished the arms.
Connecting to Jimu. Although he was very confusing to build, because he's not pink, I'll give him a 9 stars.
But I'd give him a 10.